Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have already shown you guys how I prepare the soy chunks for cooking. So it comes in this size and a bigger size. So this size in EC is 725 and I put the US here. And it comes dehydrated. It looks like dog food. Dehydrated. You have to put it in water for a couple hours before you cook. So it goes from this, to this. I'm going to show you the process. I put this in water around, I want to say after 7, maybe 7:30. So it's been 3 hours. You can't leave this overnight or it's going to spoil the entire thing. So this is the color of the water. And now we are going to squeeze out all of this water out of it. And we're going to keep refilling the water, keep squeezing it out until the water becomes clear. So let's go ahead. The water. Back in. It's the water now and let's cover and repeat the same step. For those of you who would like to know what it tastes like, it's not, the taste of it is not a substitute for chicken, so it's not going to taste like chicken. But it has its own flavor that I like. It's not chicken, but I'm not the biggest fan of chicken. I would say it has its own flavor, its own taste. It smells exactly how it tastes. It smells exactly how it tastes. I don't think there's any meat I can compare it to say it tastes or smell like that. So sorry about that. It's not a very good description, but it feels like you could say maybe beef. So it has like a little peels like beef. Yeah, this is the final wash. Because they are, some of them comes really big after rehydrating it. I do cut them into small pieces, especially ones like this. But if I somehow or the other taste it, and I've tried it many times, and I remembered that it might taste like something, then I'll let you guys know. But for now, to me it has its own taste. There's nothing that can compare to it for now. And I'm just going to put in on the screen what this is made out of. There's a famous vegetarian. The first time I ever had chunks. The first time I ever had chunks was at a idol shop in Paz Avenue. And that's where my love for chunks started. But then in the same Paz Avenue, there is a well-known vegetarian cuisine that sells pie and peas, pie and chunks, stuff like that. And that's where my love for chunks grew. And just having an idol shop in my community, in my village, helps. So it's something where the texture might not be for everyone, but if you prepare it properly, and then transferring it back, I'm just gonna squeeze out some extra. Now let's move over to the counter. Just start cutting it up. Let's go. Because I'm gonna use this bowl. I'm gonna use this bowl to season the junk. I'm gonna cut up and bring that first. I wish I had cheese on hand. I could have done the copycat of the famous vegetarian restaurant in my country. I'm gonna continue cutting this off camera and I'll be back with you guys when it's finished. We are finished. Hold on. So let's season it. Salt, curry, I want to add it with chili pepper, but cayenne pepper, but it is really spicy. So I'm adding some pepper sauce, which has in pepper, papaya, onion, garlic, mustard, vinegar, and salt. So this has in a good bit of seasoning wise, so it will enhance the flavor of these chunks. All that's left to do is mix it up. They are not wet. They are wet, but it feels very dry. So it wasn't rubbing as chicken or any meat to do. So I'm just trying to get it in as best as I can. And let's squeeze it in. Right, let's go over to the stove. We're gonna just some oil into the pan. Okay, now we're gonna add the onion and garlic and leave a little bit for the pasta. Now I'm not 100% sure, but I do think that this is already cooked. But I like to do my own thing, so I'm just gonna let it fry a little bit for a little minute or so, and then I'm gonna add some water and my concoction. So I have some Swiss twists. I was saying, don't know if you get it, if you guys got this, but twist. It is a Caribbean brand, Trinidad, and I'm gonna use this because it has a little twist. And when you have like bolognese, pasta bolognese, or anything that has like a saucy sauce to it, it's best to use something that can like get all of those sauce seep into the loops. So I'll be using this. I think these two will be cooking for the same amount of time. Um, so everything should be done at the same around the same time. And just in case you're interested in this in chunks, and you want to know how much soybean you will possibly get from the packet, I have for my family side 2 soybean out of the small packet, which is 725 EC, and maybe I will get 4 to 5 out of the big one. If you are a single person, you can probably use like a quarter of a cup or a half a cup of this, um, and that might probably give you 4 to 5. Because it's dehydrated, so once you hydrate, it becomes more. And if you cut it up into small pieces, because I don't like it big, then you get even more. And it's very nutritional as well. This and peas, very nutritional. So if you're someone who wants to get into being a vegetarian, or you just like me, who's tired of chicken, you can try it. You don't have to like it, but the point is you going out and trying different things. Let's add some water, just enough to cover it. Now, if you want this to be curry chunk, just add curry. Whatever you want it to be, just add it. I'm gonna make it as if I am stewing up chicken in a way. That is fried chicken straight over. So I'm not gonna add ketchup, sugar, and maybe some cayenne pepper. Not a lot of sugar, just a little bit. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of curry powder. Curry has spice as well. It has a little bit of kick to it, so I think that's all the spiciness we need. Plus, we have the pepper sauce in there. I'm not gonna add any salt or any seasoning because I did season it. So once it starts to boil, I'm gonna taste it and see if it needs anything else. Just gonna cover this and let it do its thing. Moving on to the pasta. I just added some oil to keep the pasta from sticking and some salt. Now we're gonna add the pasta. Isn't this like the easiest recipe? Now all we have to do is wait for it to finish. So I'm just stirring it just to prevent it from sticking. And that's it. I'm gonna leave this to cook and check on it like every around 5 minutes mark, and then I'll come back nearly at the end to show you guys how it's cooking. And I'll also let you guys know if the chunks need any more seasoning to it. See you guys then. The chunks and the pasta are finished. Notes, I had to add some salt to the chunks. Look at that. The sauce is like in every corner of it. This is the texture now. It's very juicy. There's not no meat that tastes like it. None. It's just different. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my lunch and I'll see you at the end of the next one. Bye.